How to invite friends on Carrom Pool game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Carrom Pool and want to play with your friends, then you can go ahead and invite them to the game. First of all, launch open Carrom Pool app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Friends. After you're inside this Friends tab, click on Invite Friends in blue and select the copy button right underneath the pop-up. Once you've selected your invitation link, you can go ahead and open up any other social media accounts such as Messenger, email, WhatsApp, etc. Open up any social messaging app and then select a friend and paste in the invite link that you just copied. Once you share the invite link with your friends, click on the invite and join into the game. You'll be able to play together and start the match. Now you're ready to challenge your friend and enjoy Carrom Pool together. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.